So how about having New York style pizza in New York?
What are you talking about?
You want to get pizza in New York? Alright y'all, so we had breakfast at Thompson Square Bagel. It was a 10 out of 10. First full day in New York, and I had to show Mike how to hail a taxi. Show him what you were trying to do.
Let him know. Let him know. Yeah, I'm ready.
I said that's not how you do it. Anywho, so y'all, we made it to Times Square. We wanted to show little baby what Times Square looked like and all the things that you can see here. So we already seen the naked cowboy, he over there. And then also seen the little Mickey Mouse characters. I saw this on TikTok. It's like a man and a woman. There's like a Minnie and Mickey Mouse, and what they force you to do is try to take a picture. So I told Nolan, when I pull you, let's go. Okay? Nolan, look at the gorilla thingy moving. I see it. So we're just gonna walk around, be super duper tourists right now, and maybe find things to get into. Let's go. Yeah. Welcome to Union Square. Y'all, we've walked 10,000 steps yesterday, and I think we're almost there again today. It's okay, because we're eating our weight in steps. We had our brunch. Pizza was amazing, and then we got me some Italian coffee. It's super strong, but this is gonna keep me going all day. We're gonna go get Mike something here. We found Nordstrom Rack. We're gonna get him something, and then we're gonna see what the rest of the day holds. Let's get it. We're gonna try to get on the Q train. We have never bought a ticket. Okay, rule number 1 on the subway, don't touch nothing. Okay. Rule number 2, don't look nobody in the face too long. Okay? Rule 3, move fast. Yo, B. We just got off the train, B. We ended up here at Junior's Cheesecake because I was feeling for some cheesecake, some authentic New York cheesecake. So you remember back in the day where Diddy made those folks cross the Brooklyn Bridge to come get him some cheesecake? This the one, we here.
And listen, God put us here. You know why? Because we just got off at a random spot.
You feel me? So, and this was the first thing we saw. So Mike Nolan said, we're gonna eat something again? Said, hey, get to know your parents, bro. We travel to eat.
Was it worth Diddy walking on here? What do you think?
I think it was worth it. It's very decadent. Junior's Cheesecake, it's a staple, and it was worth it. It was a lot, but it was good, I would say. But
if you like cheesecake, you really like.
If you like cheesecake, yeah. Would I say it was not too tart or too sweet? The only thing that the critique I would say needs more graham cracker crust. We like a good amount of graham cracker crust. It was good. It was good. All right, so we took a rest off after our subway experience, and we are about to meet up for dinner with some of our B-Way family, our New York division or our New York sector. Just a little bit. That's a small tidbit of our friends, and it's so cool because we've been talking to these folks for about almost 2 years now, and we're meeting in person. I think it's really cool to actually be able to talk to people that we've connected to through trading with and made friendships. So looking forward to that. And we took a little rest. Everybody's cool.
Nap, a good little nap.
He doesn't like
we're going to Jamaica, y'all. That's my type of vacation. In a month, we're going to Jamaica, and it's going to be beach, relaxation,
eating,
pina colada, eat, relax. Let Nolan swim, man, Nolan.
Yeah. We're enjoying New York thus far. Lots to do.
Oh man, it's very cool here. It's very, very cool. Nolan, you like it, right?
Lots to do.
A lot of walking.
A lot of walking, a lot of seeing, a lot of sightseeing. A lot of firsts we're in this little one here. So glad to do that, but we're gonna show y'all dinner and take y'all with us. Let's see what the evening takes us. I don't know. Babe, guess what?
Ooh.
Got you a gift. Happy Father's Day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Fire.
fresh. That's fresh.
Fire. Fire too big. Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
Ooh, that look cool,
Let's
D.
go.
It looks low-key good on Coach Mike. Yeah.
Oh no, what an amazing Father's Day, bro. Spend time with people I love. Look at this, Nolan. Oh, mommy and daddy. You know daddy don't like wearing jewelry. Has your name on there, mommy name on there. Love it. Thank y'all.
Happy Father's Day. I love you, Daddy.
You Jaja.
All right, y'all, this morning, day 3 here in New York, and we are getting ready to get a ride to our breakfast spot. We're going to Clinton Street Bakery or something like that. We are out here. Yesterday was a wonderful evening. We went to Dumbo. We got to meet up with some of our BUA friends. Have really become family in the last couple of year and a half, which is crazy.
Awesome, crazy.
And it was such a vibe. Like, have y'all ever talked to people online and then met them in person and it's like the voice matches the face? And it was weird, but it just felt so natural, and we laughed and talked. You know, when you knew people online and then you met them and it's weird in person? No, it was just like, it's literally the meetup came out the group chat and it just continued. The conversation continued.
Everyone's just real.
I think it's real. Everybody's real people.
Over the phone, nobody's putting on a face.
Yes.
So when you get to see each other,
It's
in
the
real
same
time,
thing.
It just flowed, which was crazy. It was flowed.
Yeah.
We had dinner, y'all. It was amazing. We ended up going downtown.
Yeah, they even though that's a big thing for me, because I know as New Yorkers, Times Square, you're like, y'all don't want to go. So all of them came with us to Times Square and did all the touristy thing with us and hung out. Nolan had 5 other uncles that he got to meet that we knew. Even while we were walking in Times Square, they were checking for Nolan, which was was
real natural.
Yeah, it felt really natural, and they had a genuine care for us, which we have a care for them. So I think it's just a beautiful thing to see how connection can happen on the internet, genuine connection, real life connection, and we don't take it for granted that good people exist, and all we had to do was put ourselves out there, and we met, and because we could have easily made it weird in the beginning to be you know what I'm saying, oh, let's leave it this far, leave you at arm's length, but we were okay, let's explore it, and we're glad we did, because it's a rich friendship.
I would love to this is our second or third experience, me in different places, me and
BUA friends.
BUA friends, and
Yeah.
everyone's pretty cool.
Everyone's
I'd love to continue.
Everywhere we go.
Yeah, go
Yeah.
on. I don't call it tour, because
Yeah.
it sounds like we're some celebrities. But you know
No.
what I mean? Go around and just meet people in real life, because you know what I mean? We
Yeah.
built these connections. What we're doing is real, and it's just a great vibe, y'all. We took the train together. We went down to what it was, man?
Times Square.
It was just amazing. Yeah, it's cool. So this morning we about to go get us some breakfast, and I think we seen the reason why they call it a city that never sleeps. Nolan was like, bro, there's more people out here at nighttime than during the day. It is absolutely crazy, but
All right, y'all, we trying to get our car to go to breakfast, and we'll see you in a little bit.
okay, y'all.
All right, y'all, so this little boy, this is evidence. Parents, keep receipts, because once them kids try to play you and say you ain't did nothing, they work hard, they got out the mud, keep receipts. This boy here, look at he said, we asked him after we ate breakfast, we're like, what you want to do? He's like, I was like, you want to go, go on a little hop on, hop off bus? This man said, no, I want to go on a ferry, Statue of Liberty ferry. So guess where we go?
Steam rising from the subway grate. I'm fashionably early, never late. Yellow cabs are buzzing like a hive. It's a beautiful way to be alive. Oh, the city feels like home tonight. Caught between the shadow and the light, sweet and airy like a cloud on a plate. Everything can wait, it's a perfect to discover. Underneath the neon cover, heart of the town is a soft on the New York ground. My feet on the New York ground.
Happy Father's Day. Thank you for a great trip.
Come here, man. No problem, Papa. No problem. You remember I always say trading is a skill and it gives you freedom. This is what freedom is. You see how we could just get up and do what we want? That's what trading gives. But you always gotta remember, trading is a skill, okay, baby? And I'm teaching you this now so you'll never have to work for anybody, okay?
Okay.
Love you.
You too. You only work for yourself, not anybody else.
Yes, Papa. Yeah.
All right, y'all, so we just did the tour, the ferry tour with starships, but this is the thing. We went to down by the Staten Island ferry, remember I showed you? And we bought tickets from a guy in the green vest. Coffee, you did us wrong, and you know you did. We bought our tickets, sat on a shuttle, at least 15, 20 minutes to leave, for them to try to buy another, to get another people on the shuttle to come over here. It was like another 25-minute ride to the pier. When we got to the pier, we see a boat leaving. We're like, there's no way that's our boat. We asked the people, yeah, that's your boat. So luckily, it was only a 30-minute wait, 45-minute wait for the next boat to board, which was cool. But if we had left when we bought our ticket, we would have gotten on time. Nolan had a wonderful time. We got to see a lot of the skyline. It was a nice tour. I would say it's worth it, but just buy it with the actual company, the Starship, if you're gonna do it. Now we're gonna go on our food tour. You know, we're always on a food tour here. Now we're gonna go have lunch. We're gonna find a cheesesteak and then finish off our evening kind of slow because we've been going hard this whole trip.
I'm gonna tomorrow's the market's open, so I'm gonna go draw some levels.
Yeah, Mike is gonna get prepared.
I'm gonna prepare
get prepared
for tomorrow, and
because we're gonna live trade tomorrow before we leave out. We have a later, like an late afternoon flight, so that we can trade and then head to JFK. I think New York has so much more to offer.
oh yeah, you gotta have more. Well, first of all, more time and more money. Damn it.
More time and more money. All my cash gone. All my cash gone. Apparently the taxis are expensive. I didn't know. I just been taking taxis because it's fun to just hail them. Hey.
Yep.
That's been fun.
$17 here, $15 here, $20
It adds
here.
up. It adds up. It adds up. But guess what? I feel like the next time I come here, mark my words, I'm gonna be a train boss. I'm gonna know how to use the train because the train is the way to go. Get you a train car, babe, and you get from point A to point B using the train.
Yeah,
so,
we're gonna know how to move around.
yeah,
a little better.
I'm gonna be a train boss, much better. I'm gonna have it planned out. But you live and you learn. That's all you can do. Get better the next time. So don't worry. Next time, don't worry about it. I'm gonna be a boss on the train. So
All right, y'all.
bye.
We'll catch y'all later.
Yeah.
Oh, the city feels like home tonight. Caught between the shadow and the light, sweet and airy like a cloud on a plane. Everything can wait. It's a perfect to discover. Underneath the neon cover, heart of the town is a star on the New York ground. With my feet on the New York ground. In the city that I love the best, soft and sweet.